Let's take a closer look at the Honda HR-V RS E-HEV and see how it stands out in an already competitive compact crossover SUV market. Measuring 4,388mm in length, 1,790mm in width, and 1,591mm in height, the HR-V boasts a wheelbase of 2,610mm and a minimum ground clearance of 196mm. The HR-V RS E-HEV impresses with its aesthetic appeal, featuring 18-inch RS alloy wheels, an RS-inspired exterior design, LED sequential turn signals, and a smoke taillight bar. Only the RS E-HEV among the three variants of the all-new HR-V features a power tailgate equipped with hands-free assist and walk-away close functions. Other eye-catching exterior highlights include full LED headlights with aluminum extensions and the auto on-off functionality, daytime running lights, LED projector fog lights, a smoke LED light bar for the taillights, and an RS-designed sporty chrome mesh front grille, complemented by a sporty red accented front bumper and front spoiler. Inside, the HR-V RS E-HEV showcases a black interior adorned with red accents. The seats and shift knob are upholstered in RS leather with red stitching. The driver's seat features 8-way power adjustments, while the front passenger seat can slide and recline. The E-HEV variant is equipped with a tilt and telescoping leather-wrapped steering wheel with red stitching and integrated controls for audio, hands-free telephone, multi-information display, voice assistant, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. The HR-V infotainment system is equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen display, enabling wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free telephone features, audio streaming, USB input, and an 8-speaker sound system. Powering the HR-V RS E-HEV is a highly responsive self-charging hybrid engine that adapts seamlessly to different driving conditions. Whether navigating city streets or accelerating on the highway, it provides an exhilarating surge of power when needed. The gasoline engine produces an impressive 78 kilowatts or 106 PS at 6,000 to 6,400 RPM and torque of 127 Newton meters or 13 kilogram meters at 4,500 to 5,000 RPM. Complementing this, the electric motor generates 131 PS between 4,000 to 8,000 RPM with an instant torque output of 253 Newton meters from 0 to 3,500 RPM. The suspension system consists of a front McPherson strut and rear torsion beam combination, while all four wheels are equipped with disc brakes, ventilated in front and solid in the rear. In addition to the E-HEV engine, all variants are equipped with Honda's advanced technologies that enhance safety, security, and convenience, including Honda Sensing, an advanced driver assist system, and Honda Connect, a mobile application that allows users to start, monitor, and control their vehicle from their smartphone. Honda Sensing provides peace of mind through its suite of advanced driver assist features, such as adaptive cruise control, low-speed follow, collision mitigation system, lane keeping assist system, road departure mitigation, lane departure warning, auto high beam, lead car departure notification, a multi-view reverse camera, and rear sensors. The RS E-HEV is equipped with additional safety features, including anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution, agile handle assist, hill descent control, vehicle stability assist, hill start assist, and emergency stop signal. For added security and safety, the HR-V includes a lane watch camera, walk-away auto door lock, front, side, and side curtain airbags, 3-point ELR seat belts with reminders for all 5 occupants, child locks, ISOFIX child seat anchors, security alarms, and an immobilizer. The Honda HR-V RS E-HEV is an impressive hybrid SUV that combines performance, efficiency, and state-of-the-art technology.